First at 4, day 2 of the trial for the man accused of killing a San Antonio police detective. Otis McKane is accused of shooting and killing Detective Benjamin Marconi. Eyewitness News reporter Zach Briggs joins us live from outside the courtroom. Zach?
Well, Deborah, once again, a packed courtroom today, and the state showcasing video from inside Marconi's patrol unit. Now, unlike the dash cam video presented yesterday, this footage captures Marconi driving, operating his laptop, and the moments leading up to the shooting. Several minutes of silence as the jury, Marconi's family, and supporters watched the detective go about his day on November 20th, 2016. At one point, based on the time, you realize Marconi has pulled over a vehicle for a traffic stop. Marconi then re-enters the vehicle, and minutes go by until the very moment when prosecutors say McKane comes up to his driver's side door and shoots him. At one point, you could see McCane's hand enter the vehicle, finally firing the second shot. Now, we have decided not to air that portion for the obvious nature of the video. As you see Marconi slump into his seat after being shot, family members and jurors gasped and cried, so distressing. At one point, many left the courtroom, including one juror.